Look at the amount of clothes I have to iron for this guy. You gotta pay me. Procrastination is real.
My mom look like she running in the commercial. It's not commercial. Influencer running. I'm not influencer. My mom look like she running in the commercial. The commercial running. Can you run again? See, it's not commercial. Influencer running. I'm not influencer.
Shegu, shegu, shegu. We are going for lunchy. Anyway, good job everybody for the shoot. The footage looked really good. I hope it's nice. And you guys will be able to see my Neutrogena ads everywhere. You know, I opened YouTube and I saw it. Do you see? It was huge, right? It was so big. I was like, I got shocked.
Hiking is a part of your experience and you have it like homemade kombucha, which is made from ginger.lily tea and some honey. Pour into a sweet side and we're using white tea to make this.
I think it look cool, those stuff. Yeah, oh my god. Oh my god, they're nice.
Let's have the queen finger because I'm having tea. 예쁘다. Happy Sunday! I haven't seen Pepper in 2 weeks because last weekend my in-laws came over to my place for lunch and we are finally going to their place right now, so I'm excited to see Pepper. Hello, Pepper!
Pepper.
Pepper!
Calling us.
Pepper, baby! Ayo.
Okay.
Hello. Good morning. I decided to sleep in because I had a really bad vertigo that acted up last night. Basically, you feel like your world is spinning. Like I'm drunk, but actually I haven't had a single sip of alcohol and I can't walk straight. I can't turn my head too fast. I can't stand up too fast. It does take a few days to go away and it's very inconvenient. I do know of a lot of people with like super bad ones that once they open their eyes, they will just puke because they're so nauseous. But thankfully for me, I haven't reached that stage. The doctor says I just have to rest and drink more water. Let me just chat with y'all as I prepare lunch. 된장찌개 for lunch today. First, we need some rice. Guys, look at my 계란찜. It took me about almost 2 hours to cook, eat and clean up. I am now getting ready for a shoot. It is Labor Day today. It's a public holiday, but I gotta do some work. Procrastination is real. This is not a very smart coaster. You can see the water is seeping all the way to the table. Let me go change one. Let's get started. It's super crowded today and I'm hanging out with my two besties again. Today we are in the Joo Chiat Rd because we wanted to go for some cafes, but judging from the parking situation, I have no high hopes. The whole Singapore is here. Wow! Someone has a
Prepare.
angkyong.
Angkyong.
Is it called angkyong? And this person has a man-made sunglass. So embarrassing.
Hey.
Jan! Oh, straw is very cute. Jan! 나쁘지 않나?
Try what?
Apparently this is very famous. This is $7. Size comparison. Really tiny. But this is called the Kōhī. Don't look very convincing. Don't feel. If this was $5, I'll be okay. But it's not a good combination, but the coffee is so light. Like I really feel I'm drinking coffee flavored milk rather than coffee with milk. I am just thinking of what to make for tomorrow's lunch for Matt and I. I still have leftover ingredients from my doenjang jjigae that I made yesterday, so I think I'm gonna make one more serving of that. After which, I think I'm finally done. I can finally move on to kimchi jjigae or sundubu jjigae. It's quite a repeat of ingredients except for doenjang jjigae needing to use potatoes, and I've already got potatoes sliced up. Matt has also specially requested for some meat. I actually found these. That's awesome because I got them previous time my interns came over for a Korean feast. Yay! Look at the amount of clothes I have to iron for this guy. You gotta pay me. How much?
$50 per shirt.
Wow, really? Okay guys, you guys are the witness. 6 shirts there, so $300 ah. Singapore dollars? Don't suddenly come and tell me some other funny Zimbabwe dollars or something. It's nice.
Love on you, never wait or hesitate.
Time to shoot! I am on my way to PT right now. Brought all my VU supplements because I need to shoot something in the gym. I haven't seen Andrew in 2 weeks, so I'm a little bit nervous. Just can't find the time to be extremely consistent with my workouts, and I think that's fine. I'm gonna not beat myself up over it. I am excited to be training on some booty stuff today because I feel like every time I don't train my bum, like it literally goes flat. Maybe it's in my mind. That's the main motivation when I go to the gym, is to see some sort of like an improvement. I am baking so badly. Happy Friday! So I spent the whole day working and preparing the house for the influencers to come. We're supposed to be at 6. It is currently 6:45. The food is here and nobody is here, as usual. But let me show you guys what we ordered today. Okay, so we've got Jingzhen Golden Pillow 933, 2 of them, because we got this like set for 8 packs. These are the other stuff. Oh my gosh, they even come with like paper plates, which is not good for the environment, but I like the thought. I'll just keep it for when I need to use it. Look at this, guys. I keep doing this. Like, I already broke this, and now I'm breaking this. And today, I just have made a crack here as well. I am very tired. Energy level 10%. So I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging much, but fingers crossed that people come soon because the food is gonna be really soggy and I'm gonna faint from hunger already.
길거리를 걷다 보면 사랑 노래만 흘러나와
Looks like
나는 왜 저런 게 낯설까 난 한국말까지 서툴러 번역기도 전혀
very bread heavy meal. I'm so full. And we still have one more pasta. Totally overestimated ourselves. I am packing for my trip tomorrow and this guy is being independent, cooking for himself. You look so stressed, darling.
I look so stressed.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not stressed.
Hey, please do not leave that one there, it might melt. Wow, not bad. This is really a nice or Chai, isn't it? There's a lot. Look at how big the bowl is. I'm on the plane on board to Hawaii. I'm going to show you guys how this plane looks like. It's one of my favorite configurations. Huge. Lots of storage space. There's even a mirror. Hello. I love this, super deep. And then one more here, very spacious. So yeah, wish me luck guys. I'm gonna be on my first ever global press trip ever since 2 years, and we are actually representing Southeast Asia, so it's super surreal. The introvert in me is crying, but I don't know, I should be counting my blessings, you know, instead of worrying about all the weirdest things. So I can't wait to eat and sleep and watch my drama. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye.